Karen Nyberg, Ken Ham, and Mike Fossum, as they will all work with one another from the aft flight deck of Discovery to maneuver the arm and positioning it for a three-dimensional scan of the reinforced carbon-carbon on the leading edges of the wings of Discovery and its nose cap to provide high-resolution imagery in what is known as the late inspection of those areas of Discovery's thermal protection heat shield. All of that imagery to be downlinked to imagery analysts here in Mission Control and reviewed by them and the mission management team in making a final determination on the health of that thermal protection heat shield and clearance for Discovery to return to Earth and a landing at the Kennedy Space Center on Saturday morning at 10:15 a.m. Central Time, 11:15 a.m. Eastern Time on the 3-mile-long landing strip at the Kennedy Space Center. All quiet aboard the shuttle station complex. The 10 crew members are about to begin their final joint meal together, after which there'll be some off-duty time for the shuttle crew. The station crew still wrapping up some handover activities. About 2.5 hours from now or so, at 1:10 p.m. Central Time, Garrett Reisman and Greg Shamatoff, who exchanged places on Expedition 17 as station crew members, will be talking to NBC News, KGO Radio in San Francisco, and Fox News Radio. A series of interviews at 1:10 p.m. Central Time, 2:10 p.m. Eastern Time, as Reisman and Shamatoff in the final hours together on board the station share their thoughts on how the docked operations have gone and their thoughts on the remainder of the mission, including Reisman's homecoming on Saturday to wrap up more than 3 months in orbit. Following that series of media interviews with Reisman and Shamatoff, our mission status briefing scheduled at 1:45 p.m. Central Time today, 2:45 Eastern Time. Lead STS-124 Space Shuttle Flight Director Matt Abbott will be providing a review of all the activities today and a preview of undocking and fly around and the late inspection of the orbiter that is on tap for tomorrow.